I could be down, I could be out, but one thing is true, is that my heart will be full as long as I'm with you. Yeah, it's been so long, but it feels brand new, and I can never be blue when it's me and you. Hard and we made it through. There's nothing in this world that we can't do when it's me and you. I want this forever, can you be my girl? I want you to know you're my whole damn world. My whole damn world. I would live it at least 100 more times, baby. What a beautiful way to spend your life. Working hard just to keep on the lights. Remember stealing from the Tootsie Roll jar just to have some Del Taco nights. That's right. Remember living life two of a kind. Remember Simba sitting at the front door of Greenleaf just to greet with the bite.
Waiting around for you to call back, pacing around my room and my dad. Crazy, crazy, I want you to know what you have against me. The city is not the place for us to be. I'm trying to figure out why you hate me. Was it something I did? Yeah, I don't need to offend. I'm just waiting, because of all of the lies. Yeah, you don't need to disguise your face. I just want you to know that I am rooting for you. It's okay, it's okay. Stress is building up inside my heart. The clock is ticking, the time is is up. The way I feel it, I think it's done. Waiting around for you to call back. Pacing around my room and my dad. Crazy, crazy, I want you to know what you have against me. The city is not the place for us to be.